That's because we have this problem. Okay, what the system does is that it generated initial questions. Again, this is the case of mother and daughter. The mother helped the daughter to buy a property in Sydney, and later the mother wants the property back. So the case went to court. This is a real case. It's now been settled, and the question is, how do you prepare the witnesses for this case? Okay, so the there's no disputing about the facts here. The facts is that there was a loan agreement. As usual, the loan agreement is there, and there's a declaration of trust. The trustee is the daughter. The beneficiary, of course, is the mother. The loan agreement again is the same. The mother loans and the daughter receives the money to buy the property. Now, the only difference is that, which is again being challenged in court, is the fact that the daughter is claiming that the loan agreement and the trust deed, sorry, not the trust deed, the trust declaration were actually used to protect the daughter in the event of a messy divorce. So the ex-husband couldn't get the property. Of course, the mother say differently, that the document is what it is, and that is to protect the mother. In any event, let's see how this goes. This is using a Deepseek, by the way. I'll show you the things later. Okay, so the first question, I mean, most of the questions designed here are yes or no kind of thing. So you admit that property was purchased in your daughter's name, so I'll say yes. And then it generates the next question. It remembers all the questions it has to. It's still generating. It's taking a long time. Yes, that's true. It does take a long time though. Yet you never demanded payment. Well, that's a pretty good question. Yes, that is correct. Because she has so the system does it, and it's so this one is a bit unique because it asks you for answer yes or no. But the question is, why did you? It deserves answer. Why did you bother having her to sign? So she will know she still owe me money when she has money. Let's see what it does. So it doesn't allow you to answer anything else. Yes. I mean, let's say you put no. See what it does. Yes. So I'm trying to confuse the system to see whether it can deal with it or not. So if you truly believe this was a legal binding law, why did you never want us to? So it doesn't allow me to give a reason. Yes, I agree. Yes, but that document is to protect me when I need it. See whether he understands how the loan document works. Yes, I mean it does ask this kind of question. So anyway, like I was saying, the system is designed to prepare weaknesses, so at least they know what kind of question they will expect. Nope, it is a real trust, as this is not the game. Yes. So if I don't want to put an answer, it will record there's no answer. Because a weakness is a weakness you don't have to answer if you do not want to. So are you asking the court to accept the two legal documents created simultaneously for the same property, one being a sham and the other genuine, were drafted with entirely different intention? Is that your evidence? No. Let's see. Then you can explain to the court why you drafted two separate legal documents. There is no contradiction. Contradiction. The documents have dual but different purposes. One, I can always demand her to pay, and the second, put it to rest that it is for my benefit. Not a shame. So I mean the loan goes intended to Yes. I did not say the loan agreement was never intended to be enforced. I said I can enforce at will. Okay. Yes. The time is not right yet. You are putting words into my mouth. I repeat, I can use if see fit. Oh no, no. No, there is interest and repayments inside, of course, if you there I did not put that in the pleading. So I think here the machine it had hallucinated a bit. Um, I think I can stop here. I can stop here and show you what it generate. I mean, it will keep on going until it thinks it can win. See, but it's repeating itself again, so that's another issue which we have to look at. Oh. So it's not perfect. I mean, no system is perfect, but this is one way that you can use to help your clients, your weaknesses, because as you know, lawyers, we're not supposed to coach our weaknesses, and this one, the machine can actually give them grounding um, a good grounding to what to expect. I'll give up. See what it says. I think when you do I give up, it will stop. I you yes. No. The okay, let's stop here and I'll show you what's underneath the hood. Okay, welcome back again. What I've done is that I have cut and paste the source code into Grok, so that Grok can analyze it and explain what all this is about. Okay, this is the code.